Hi, it's Brenda. I just wanted to do a quick video giving a great big thank you to everyone. Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? I was going to include this in another video, but I really don't want it to get lost amongst all my jabbering for a new video. But to everyone who ordered t-shirts, mugs, or the stickers, thank you very, very much. To everyone who is planning on placing an order in the future, thank you very much. And to all the wonderfully amazing and positive comments that I received, you folks are wonderful. I've heard from a few people that they've already received their orders and that they're really, they said they're really nice. They're good quality and they really like them. So that's great to hear. So the boy and I thought it would be kind of cool if you folks are interested, if you would like to take a picture of yourself wearing the t-shirts or using the mug or having the stickers on, whatever you put them on. I have a water, like one of my viewers said, a Watiger sticker is perfect to go on her Watiger bottle, so, which I never thought about that, but that would be pretty cool. But if you would like to take a picture of yourself using the product that you purchased and email it to me at goodenough.mynewme@gmail.com, I would love to do a video highlighting all of that. In the email, please state whether or not you want a name mentioned. I probably won't say the name, but I will put it on the screen with your picture. If you would like your name mentioned and what name you would like mentioned. If it's your screen name, if it's just a first name, initials, or no name, which whatever you prefer. I think it'd be pretty cool to do a picture showing everybody using what they bought. If you don't want to show your face, just want to show a picture, I'm pretty good at the neck down views on the camera. So if you want to show a picture of just you wearing the shirt, or stick the coffee mug in front of the camera so that hides your face, or whatever, however you want to work it, that'll be fine too. But I really do think it would be pretty awesome to do a video showing everybody. So the boy's birthday is the end of June, and I thought it'd be cool to do the video around his birthday. And that will give people who, I know there were quite a few people that said that they were going to have to, wait till the first of the month or till their next pay cycle to order, which is great. But maybe this could be, if people order often enough, get enough orders and enough pictures in to make it more than a 30-second video, then maybe this is something we could do monthly or even every other month. But I thought it would be, oops, sorry, I bumped you. I thought it'd be kind of a fun thing to do. But I really, really do appreciate the orders that everyone has placed, the orders they are planning on placing, and really appreciate the wonderful comments that everyone has made. You folks just keep proving over and over how unbelievably nice you really are. And also those who visited Noel's channel, which I will also link in the description box below, along with the video of him drawing my super turtle. And gave him a like, a comment, watched a couple of his videos. Thank you very much for doing that. And thank you. He doesn't know I'm thanking you for him, but I'm thanking you for him. He just seems to be a good guy, and I love watching him draw. He was our super turtle drawer, painter, artist. How's that? So I have received suggestions for ideas to put on other cups and t-shirts, and I've got a list going. I'm writing them down. Right now I'm in the midst of doing about 5 videos. So once I get a little caught up with everything, I'll start working on that and let you guys know. But again, thank you very, very much. It's just unbelievably nice. It's a huge help to us, of course, because we do make a profit on it. And it just, I don't know, just makes me feel better knowing that I can earn a little bit of an income through my own efforts and not have to rely solely on my son. And, you know, I can kind of ease the burden and help him a little bit, which this channel and you folks have more than proven that I can. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will put the link to my Teespring store in the description box below. I will also put a link to Noel's channel in the description box below. And I will put my email. So also we are currently preparing the video for the monthly Q&A video. Just a reminder, if you have questions that you want the boy to ask me during our monthly Q&A, please email them to him at addiesboy2018@gmail.com. That's addiesboy, ATTYS, boy, 2018@gmail.com. He will ask the questions and I will answer them to the best of my ability. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the purchases, for future purchases, just for the great comments, and as always, for the wonderful encouragement and support that you folks show. You really are amazing. And I'm not just talking about the encouragement and support that you show to me, but that you show to each other in the comments. There are some very sad and heartbreaking stories that I read in my comments. And you folks are there for each other. And that just means so much. There are people that have nobody to be there for them. But I guess that's okay, because we have each other, right? We can be here for each other. It just shows how many amazingly good people there are in the world. So, since the real kitty butt is napping now, I'll end this with a picture of her, with her attitude. Again, thank you. Thanks for what, and remember, send in those pictures. I would love to be able to do a video highlighting you and your purchases, with your purchases, or in your purchases, or however you want to do it. And please let me know if you want a name listed on the picture. If you don't say anything about a name, I just won't put a name on there, because I'm all about people remaining anonymous if that's what they would like. I'd rather err on the side of caution than go the other way. So, thank you, thank you. Take care and toodles.